Hey, what's up, everybody? I don't know, this is King Spikes for Big Style TV. Big up to all my viewers and subscribers. As you can hear, that Mavado's son has been slapped with 5 charges. One of them is murder, illegal possession of firearm, and 3 more. Police has been asking for Mavado for 3 weeks now. Mavado have not turned in himself. People on the street are saying that this young man is a troublemaker. He just 16-year old. Why? He put himself in this position. People also are saying that Mavado built a big mansion in the hills for him. Why him not stay up there? But you don't know, as a little youth we come from the ghetto, well, I'm friend them come from the ghetto. Him a go end up down there same way. You see me? So me know say Mavado go come down, cause him not gonna leave himself hanging, him not gonna leave him son hanging. So just leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think Monday I gonna be in court there? Well, if the 5 charges not slap on him, one of them I gonna stick on him. Trust me, cause the Jamaica justice system go already, and a long time Mavado and the police them in a problem. So let us hope and pray. If them have a saying for say no one is guilty until proven guilty. So you don't know, big up yourself, all viewers and subscribers. Leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think about it? Do you think the 16-year-old he commit this crime or not? So big up on yourself. See you next time. Big Style TV out.